Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your name on Word Trip application. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open Word Trip application and make sure that you're inside the main home page. After you're inside the main home page of Word Trip, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top of the screen. Now tap on the pencil icon right next to your name and then enter the new name you'd like to change to in the Name tab. Once you are done, tap on the Save button at the top right in order to change your new name for Word Trip. And as you can see that the name has now been changed. So that's how easily you can change your name on Word Trip game within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.